What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys enjoy the last couple of videos, man. I've been posting a little bit less. Just been enjoying my life, bro. Just full on, honestly, dude, just grinding. I've been working so freaking much. I feel like 2 times a week, 2 times a month, uploading is just so chill. Because literally, dude, all I'm doing right now, bro, like I said, bro, my reason for YouTube, if I want to rape these cars, I'm gonna film it. You know what I mean? And that's for any other car I get. And my goal is to only get the best too. Like, I only want to be getting the best cars. So like, whatever car's next, bro. Like, the only cars I want to get next is, I mean, like if I'm gonna actually take that kind of risk, it's probably gonna be a supercar. And what's perfect is like the line of business I'm in, I got planned to make parts for it. Like, I do want to make my own custom parts. Like, even for this car, I want to put my own pistons in it. And it's so sick that actually one of the customers I know, they make pistons for strictly like literally most BMWs, most M5s, M3s, and they've been doing it for like 20 years. I was like, bro, there's a whole industry that I don't even know about. Like, obviously I know that's an industry, but how much traffic they have, dude. Like, I thought most people just put like stock pistons and stock rods. Nah, bro, people are going all out. So, dude, I'm like, for me, my goal is not to do what they do, obviously, because it's a lot of work. But like, I'm like, the whole point is that I want to make my own stuff, which I easily can, easily. There's already 3 machines in the shop, so the whole point now is like, once things settle down, dude. Right now, I'm just, dude, I'm not even trying. This video, I'm not trying to talk. I'm trying to actually just drive more. But I have 3 guys that know somewhat a good amount, but still not good enough. So I have to be super duper involved, like, in every single day, all 3 guys, which takes so much energy out of me, dude. It's unbelievable. Like, I really, on the weekends, I really ain't trying to do anything else but chill. So that's why for the rest of the video, man, I'm honestly not barely gonna be talking. Just, I'm gonna try to enjoy the car, and I need to hurry up and tune this thing. Ooh, that muzzle already sounds good. I want to trans tune, and dude, I just want to go on E85 already. I've been procrastinating, bro, because it's just like, dude, this job's stressful, bro. There's like, you make good money, but holy crap, it's stressful. Oh, there's a cool guy right there. Hopefully he doesn't pull out, dude. If he pulls out, I'm cooked. See, that's what I'm saying, bro. They be camping. Like, why? What is he doing there? Is it because this is like a drag strip or something? Like, because I mean, it's a perfect street. It's a perfect street to speed on, bro. See, this exactly. Every time I tell you guys, like, I'm scared to gas it, because for that, bro, like they're always chilling. Oh, thank God I didn't send it, bro. He was staring me down too, bro. I'm surprised he's not coming after it now. That feeling, because I'm fully straight pipe, dude. I'm fully straight pipe with aftermarket intakes. Like, it does not get any more illegal than that. take this roundabout just to get around. Ooh, dude, this. I think I'm playing Sims at this point, bro. I see this every time, but it's like honestly kind of trippy how Sims this area is. I can't believe how cheap freaking Hellcats got. Like, I honestly kind of makes me sad. I'm so happy that one cop was chill, bro. I'm like thinking right now, like, how can I make these two cars super enjoyable? Because with these cars, I save a lot of money on like insurance. Like, if I got a supercar, bro, the insurance could kick my butt cheek. I gotta like put it under my mom or something, which I probably will, honestly. Like, I don't want to have, like, if something happens, like, I don't know. It's just, it's better to have my mom, because, bro, they're gonna kick me, bro. They're gonna screw me. Like, literally, I'm not even kidding when I say this, guys. Anyone that has a supercar, the insurance is as much more than the payment of this car. That's scary, bro. That's freaking, that's insane. Like, can you believe, see, that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm gonna lock in. I need to figure out what I want to do with these cars. Start making videos. Just, I want to replace like almost everything with my own parts, because I can make it with better material. But I don't know, it's like, if someone on YouTube like hit me up and they know everything about cars, all they need is the cash and the machine, I have that, bro. I have it. I need someone with that kind of creativity. So like right now I need to teach myself that. Oh my gosh. By the way, I'm forcing it, guys. That's why it's overdue right now. All right, boys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.